Hey y'all, welcome back. I hope y'all have had a great week and a great start to your new year. So last week I did end up going to Walmart because I had a lot of non-grocery type things I needed to pick up. So I did miss going to Aldi last week. So I am headed back to Aldi today. So I may take you guys in with me, but if not, I will share everything once I get back home like I always do. So, yeah, let me go ahead and get in there and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, so I am back from Aldi. I do apologize for the weird lighting. My kitchen has really large windows that we don't keep curtains on, so the sun shines in really well, which is great in the wintertime as it helps to keep the kitchen warm, but it's also super bright, so sometimes I actually have to wear sunglasses when I'm in the kitchen cleaning. So let me show you what I picked up. So I did get 2 dozen eggs and a gallon of milk, some orange juice and grape juice, and I've been craving scrambled eggs with American cheese, so I picked up some American cheese for that. I also picked up this black truffle salami. Interested to see what that tastes like. Never had it before. My girls have been enjoying macarons, so I picked a box of them up for them to try. We haven't had them from Aldi before. And then I got this extra sharp cheddar cheese as I've not tried it before and I love cheese. Got a couple of cans of tomato sauce and chili to go in Frito casserole. And then I also picked up some green beans, spaghetti sauce, and a jar of chili sauce because I have some little smokies I need to use. Also got some avocados as they're 50 cents a piece, some sliced cheddar, Italian cheese, some bananas, and a couple bags of marshmallows because I got more Rice Krispies from the Dollar Tree. And then I got some couple bags of sweet butter lettuce and a couple bags of corn chips for that Frito casserole. I only need 1 bag for the casserole, but my kids find a way to eat it before I get a chance to actually make it, so I always pick up 2 so that I can hide one and they can actually eat one. Then I also picked up some strawberries. They looked really yummy at Aldi this week, but they were $3.50 a carton, so I only picked up 1. I also got a bag of potatoes, a small one. We don't eat a lot of potatoes here, so I never buy a really big bag. But I got this to make some sauteed potatoes and onions with the green beans and some baked chicken. And then I saw these Spanish heirloom tomatoes, and they looked really yummy and interesting. So since we're having burgers and chicken sandwiches for dinner this week, I thought it'd be fun to, jazz up the tomato on it. So I also picked up some French fries to go with the burgers and the chicken sandwiches. And then I got some ground beef, some hamburger buns, and then a loaf of sandwich bread. And that is everything we picked up this week. So the total did come in under $84. So I hope everyone has a great week ahead. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!